Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I like easy. Let's go ahead and solar ignite some punkwood and we'll let the wind take the pine needles to flames. Punkwood is lightweight. When you press in on it, it springs right back out. And here's a piece that I harvested the other day from that log that I showed you in my backyard where the woodpeckers have been working on it for years. And this is some great stuff. All right, wallet Fresnel Lense, very easy to carry. You can buy a 3-pack on Amazon for $15, and they are so powerful. You always want to put these ridges towards the sun. Yes, it makes a difference. Always wear shades when doing solar experiments, unless you have something that's going to ignite very quickly, like this punkwood. Let me show you. I want you to see it smoke before we actually make the flames. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.